Welcome you all to our channel Mind Mapping. Our handle @MNMP 2024. Let's recall in our last session, in our last class, we discussed about ray diagrams of spherical mirrors. At least two intersecting rays are required to know the image location that we discussed in our last class. Today we have taken an interesting topic and an important topic for you, that is image formation by a concave mirror. Please refer your textbook for all these diagrams. There are 6 cases. Okay, so let's discuss the case number 1. Here you see this is a concave mirror and the inward surface here acts as the reflecting surface and the outer surface is opaque. Okay, here object position is at infinity. Now you see all the rays parallel to the principal axis, after reflection they converge to a point that is called focus on the principal axis. Okay, now what type of image is formed? What are the natures of the image? The image formed at focus. When the object is at infinity, the image formed at focus and it is real. Why it is real? It can be captured on a screen. You can capture on a plain paper, and this is diminished, like means point sized and inverted. So these are the natures of the image formed when the object is at infinity. The image formed at the point of focus. Now come to the second point. Now you see the object AB is beyond the center of curvature. Is beyond the center of curvature. Okay. Now you see the one ray that is parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis, after reflection passes to the point focus, and another ray, intersecting ray, that passes through the center of curvature. You see, it is unaffected. Means it returns along the same path. Okay? It returns along the same path. Now you see the intersecting point here. Now what type of image is formed? The image is formed between C and F, between center of curvature and focus, that we have mentioned here. And the object is real because it is formed in front of the mirror. The object can be captured on a screen. And you see the size is short, diminished. The size of the image is shorter than the object, so it is diminished. And you see AB and BA, so this is inverted. So these are the natures of the image formed when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature. This is very important. So please come to the case number 3. And this is very interesting and important situation. Now the object AB at center of curvature. So what will happen? So if you see one ray parallel to principal axis passes through the focus, then passes through the focus. Another ray passing through the focus. Another ray passing through the focus. After reflection, emerge parallel to the principal axis. Now you see the intersecting point is here A. So what type of image is formed here? So the image is formed at the same point, that is center of curvature, and the image is real because in front of the mirror and it can be captured. And very important thing is the object height or object size is equal to the image size. And you see AB and BA, the image is inverted. These are the natures of the image formed when the object is placed at the point center of curvature. So the third case. So please come to the fourth case. Okay. Now the object is placed between C and F, means the center of curvature and focus. When the object is placed, AB is placed, you see C and F between the center of curvature and focus. Now you see, as per the ray diagram, so this ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through the point focus, and another ray passes through the center of curvature. After reflection, it returns along the same path. Okay, so it is not affected. Now the intersecting point is A here. Now BA is the image of AB. So what type of image? So what are the natures? Now the image is formed. The image is formed beyond center of curvature, outside of center of curvature or beyond center of curvature, and the image is real. It can be captured on the screen and it is formed in front of the mirror. And you see E. E means you look at the object size and image size. The image is considerably enlarged. Okay, and inverted AB and BA. So you see, this is the erect position and this inverted position. Okay, so the image is inverted here. So when the object is formed between, the object is placed between C and F, the image is formed beyond center of curvature. Beyond center of curvature, it is real, enlarged, and inverted. So come to the fifth case. Now, fifth case is the vice versa of case number 1. Okay, you see here the object is at focus. The object AB is at focus. Now you see one ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through the point focus as per the laws of reflection by spherical mirrors. Okay. So another ray that passes through the center of curvature, it is not after reflection, it returns along the same path. So now you see two rays are parallel, so they cannot intersect. So the image formed is at infinity. Image formed at infinity. What are the nature of the image formed here? In this case, so image formed at infinity, and it is highly enlarged and real and inverted. But we can't actually see this image. Okay. So image formed at infinity, highly enlarged, real in front of the mirror, image formed in front of mirror, and it is inverted. So these are the natures of the image formed in case number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But in case number 6, there is an exception. So what is the exception? You please look at. And this is very important from your exam point of view. And this question has been set in different years, in different previous years exams. Okay. Now the object position you look at in between P and F, that is pole and focus. So you see So as per laws of reflection, the incident ray when falls at point P after reflection, it returns the same medium. It follows the laws of reflection that we discussed. Now you see another ray passing through the center of curvature after reflection returns back along the same path. Returns back along the same path. Then what happens? Then two rays they appear to have come from a point A. So this is AB is the image of the object placed between pole and focus. Now, what are the nature of the images? What are the nature of the image? Natures of the image? They formed behind the mirror. This is the exception. So behind the mirror means we cannot capture it. So this is virtual. So that image is virtual. And you see compare the size, the object size and the image size. So image is enlarged. And another exception, you see in all cases we observed that images are inverted, but here it is erect, AB and AB, not B. So image is erect. So these are the natures of the images formed by a concave mirror. So you please do it at home, draw a ray diagram and locate the image position and write the natures in your notebook. And this sixth case is very important from your exam point of view. So hope you have already understood, you all understood the concept of image formation by a concave mirror, and concave mirror is otherwise called here is a converging mirror because all parallel rays to the principal axis after reflection they converge to meet at a point that is called focus. So we learned about the converging mirror and the image formation by a concave or converging mirror. Okay, stay tuned to watch our next videos image formation by a convex mirror and their uses. Thank you for watching.